Hey guys, what's up? And I have here a iPhone 6s and I'm dealing with a problem here, and hopefully in this video I can try and figure it out so that if anybody else is having this issue, then we can quickly, refer to this video and try and get this fixed. So essentially, my sister's iPhone, she was using her iPhone at school. She claims that she had a text message, and as she went into the text message, she activated Skype, and somehow it got it stayed on Skype and then it just crashed. So occasionally Siri will say something. I don't know. I've been pressing and holding down the button here, not a thing, and I've been like trying to do this, and it's plugged in. I mean, it's plugged in right into my PC. So I mean, it's not that it's not getting any battery. I mean, it said something. So I mean, let me see if I can.
I didn't quite get that.
She said that. So I mean, it couldn't have been this phone. I mean, this is the iPhone. She couldn't quite get that. Let's see. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm going to go ahead and take a look into this, and hopefully by the end of this video, I'll have an explanation. Alrighty, so after looking into it, I'm not entirely sure what that was. I guess the phone just needed to be reset. So essentially, according to that problem earlier in the video, the best way to really deal with it is just by holding down the home button and the power button on the 6S. I think that works with other iPhones though, because I remember I had the same issue on my iPod like years ago, and that kind of worked, but I don't know. I've never seen where it was still powered on, it was still active, just the display wasn't working. But it looks like it's functioning right now. I don't know the password, so I'm not going to try, as it's not my iPhone. But yep, so I guess if you have your iPhone 5 or 6S and you decide your phone decides to not respond, it's just sitting and Siri's saying I can't quite catch that, whatever. The best way to handle this is by holding down the home and power screen, the home and the power button simultaneously, and hold it down for as long as you can, and then eventually it'll boot up. Kind of like an easy fix. I'm not entirely sure as to why that happens. If I ever find out more information as to why, if this is a iPhone problem or an iPhone 6S problem, I'll upload another video in regards to that. But at this point, it just seems like it just needed to be reset, and there doesn't seem to be anything else out there that has been confirmed to be a problem in regards to the iPhone 6S. So in other words, hopefully if this helps, great. Hopefully that it was just nothing, and there's nothing big with the iPhone 6s, considering it literally just came out last Friday, because that would be problematic for other iPhones. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Hope this helped.